you go. Oh, you know.
Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. So y'all already know based off the title, the thumbnail. Today I'm gonna be walking you guys through how I do my mini twist, which sounds crazy. Sounds so crazy. The same girl who could barely do a twist out a year and a half ago, is out here doing mini twists. This is gonna be my third time doing mini twists. And what can I say, y'all? I'm in love. I'm in love. I'll always be a wash and go girly, but mini twists, I would have to say, is my second favorite hairstyle. They're just so versatile, so low maintenance, low manipulation, they're protective, and they last so long. Like, how can you not love it? And it's just perfect for my lifestyle. Yeah, wash and goes are cute and they'll forever have my heart, but I can't say that it's the most practical hairstyle for my lifestyle, especially with, you know, how active I am. I'm in the gym. I try to be in the gym 5 days out the week. As of lately, it hasn't been that, but that's a conversation for another day. Point is, this just makes it so easy to be on the move. So perfect, and I don't have to worry about having to detangle my hair, wash my hair, you know, in a few days. And yeah, your girl just needs a break from her hair. It's one of those hairstyles that makes me feel so pretty, so beautiful. So not to say that my natural hair, obviously, like my hair out doesn't make me feel beautiful. Of course it does. I mean, I feel like I don't even have to say that, but this is just like a different, just a different type of pretty, like, you know, it's my natural hair. I think also you guys should really focus on my face, because I feel like my hair sometimes is just like the main attraction, the main, you know, the main thing. With my hair out of my face with a twist, it really highlights some of my facial features. And yeah, your girl just be feeling real cute. And yeah, so I'm gonna be walking you guys through how I do my twists, my mini twists. I can't even say this is gonna be a tutorial because I'm not a professional yet. Not even close, actually, but I figured I'd go ahead and walk you guys along with me through the process. And yeah, so if that's something you're interested in, then keep watching and let's get into it. All right, y'all, so we're working with day 2 of a blowout. So I personally like to do my mini twist on blow dried hair, not because I want my twist to be elongated or stretched, but because it's a lot easier for me to part my hair. So I'm gonna revert my hair regardless. Once I've installed my twist, I'm gonna go ahead and apply some water because I prefer the juicy, plump, you know, mini twist kind of look. Blow drying my hair is just to make parting a lot easier. Parting is definitely not my strong suit. Y'all know I have a lot of hair on my head. My hair is also prone to just like getting matted and tangled, and it's just so much easier to deal with once my hair is stretched, hence why we're gonna be working on a blowout. So we're gonna go ahead and part ear to ear to start off. Like, that's something I recently discovered within the last like year, that people do that, because and it's just so helpful, so helpful. All right, 15 minutes later, we finally got a little party situation going on. Okay. Trying to tangle this section. I mean, honestly, instead of breaking my hair, I can use a little water, since I'm gonna be reverting my hair regardless. Just so that I'm not like snatching my hair out too much. Put a little leave-in conditioner just to get a little moisture in there. For my styler, I'm going to be using the Kiss Colors and Care Twist Curl Gel. So I know the girlies like to plait the first like inch or two before twisting the hair. That way the roots are more flat, it lasts longer. But listen, 2 years ago, mini protective styles, mini anything just wasn't even in my vocabulary. So the fact that I'm even sitting here doing mini twists for the 3rd time is just, yeah, that's enough for me. That's already like pushing it low key, but that's as far as I'm gonna go. Braiding it too, that's gonna add even more time. I know I got nails. It's just too much. But I want a huge shout out to Lexi. My twists have genuinely come such a long way. One time she did a twist out on my hair. I learned so much about what I've been doing wrong. And I'm just gonna curl the ends. I don't need to twist it all the way down. Yes. She's cute. So if I had a better parting system in place, this wouldn't be so time consuming, because it's like I get a momentum going and next, you know, I have to part another row or another section, and it's just too much. But anyways, like I told y'all, this is my 3rd time doing mini twists, but my 1st time using the twist curl gel, and I can confidently say that this is the best product I've used for a mini twist thus far. It has great slip and just leaves my curls so hydrated and juicy. Love the fact that it's so affordable. It's definitely under $10. I think depending on where you buy it, you can find it for $7, maybe $8, and it has this really nice coconut scent. It's supposed to be a soft toe gel, but using it with on my blow dried hair with like minimal water, it had a nice little crunch to it, which I was actually happy about because I'm definitely trying to keep these mini twists in for as long as possible. And as y'all can see, I really love coiling my ends. Well, not just the ends, I feel like it's a little more than my ends. But yeah, I just feel like they really just make the mini twists, and I feel like the gel just does a really good job at coiling my ends and making them look hydrated and juicy. But y'all, I don't think I'll ever be able to finish mini twists in one sitting or in one day. It's just not feasible for me. So on day 2, as y'all can see, I'm doing this front section, which is honestly the most time consuming because this is the part of my hair that I actually care about because I'm going to be seeing it. But it's just really tricky, especially when it comes to how I want to part my hair. The front section of my hair is thinner than the back, especially when you get to like the perimeter closer to my hairline. I don't know, start looking a little boneless, and so I had to really play around with the direction of the twist, like what side I wanted those thinner pieces to lay on. And yeah, it was a lot of trial and error, but I finally got it. See, now my only complaint with this gel is that the jar is so small. It's only 6 ounces, y'all. So I pretty much finished the jar to style my entire head, and I probably was a little heavy-handed in some sections, but regardless, 6 ounces is just not a lot for somebody with have a lot of hair in your head. But good thing is that it's affordable enough. Alright y'all, 3 days later, this is the finished look. So technically I finished my hair yesterday, but I didn't have time to show you guys my finished results and get all cute and dolled up because I had a nail appointment, hence why my nails look different. But yeah, y'all, like I'm just so obsessed with this hairstyle. I feel like every time I do mini twists I get better. So I really took my time in the front section. You know, they're a lot smaller than the back, but you can't even tell. Loving the little curly pieces at the bottom. I'm obsessed. Like I just feel so pretty with mini twists. It's just so feminine and just, I don't know, I just feel so, yeah, I can't explain it, y'all. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10 recommend. Only if it didn't take so freaking long. But yeah, 10 out of 10 recommend this style. If you're a natural, I highly recommend you at least try doing mini twists once in your life. Like the freedom I'm gonna have for the next 3 weeks is about to be unmatched, where I can literally just get up and go, you know, especially if you live a really active lifestyle. And even if it means, you know, using some extensions to make your hair a little more full, because I know a lot of people complain about their mini twists looking boneless. Like if your hair isn't really dense, or if you want some length, then I highly recommend doing extensions. I'll go ahead and insert a video of Bree. So Bree did Breezy's Puffs. She did mini twists with these like kinky extensions, and it looks so good. Like you couldn't tell me that wasn't her natural hair. It looks so good. I'll probably link the video on my description box, or maybe I'll link it here on the video. And yeah, like I don't know, it's just, I can't explain it. I can't explain it. Yes, it's a lot of work. You know, if you just put your mind to it though, you can do like a mini twist and chill with your girlfriends, you know, to make it fun, or put on a movie, put on a series. It wasn't as fun for me because I'm actually filming. But by the time I finish a section, I'm in the mirror again trying to find the parting, and then I'm like, okay, let me show y'all back in front of the camera, but I need the mirror. It's just too much. Anyways, like I said, highly recommend this hairstyle. It's just a 10 out of 10. Honestly, hairstyles like this make me fall in love with my hair all over again. My hair is just so freaking versatile, and like there's really so much you can do with it. So much you can do with this. So I just have it in a ponytail for now. I can show you guys what it looks like out. Like this is cute, but it's hot outside. I don't know, I'm just feeling the ponytail look today. Yesterday I did a claw clip before my appointment. Claw clip look, that's one of my favorites, but it does stretch out the twist a bit. I feel like it looks better, or not it looks better, but I feel like it's more ideal towards the end of the mini twist once they're already looking a little raggedy. You know, it doesn't matter if they're stretched out. Right now, they just look so fresh. So I don't know what happened to the outro of the video, but I'm just gonna go ahead and close it out now. Let me know what you guys think of my mini twist in the comments. Have you guys tried mini twist yet? Are you planning on it? Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see y'all in my next video.